tongues by the light of the moon, dreaming of my island in the ocean, looking for a place I can be free. Luboa, hot peace, paradise, and born on me. Someone made this island just for me. Children playing, laughing, swimming, messing about in the sand, lovers dancing and romancing, walking hand in hand, drinking beer as the sun goes down. That's our idea. Someone made this island just for me. Monkeys and mosquitoes greet me. They only want to say hello. Can we come into your hut? The answer is always no. Smiling faces from far-flung places